In this video, I'm going to talk about, do I think TikTok is a good social media platform for business owners to promote their business on? Well, if you're watching this video, let's assume something. You're a coach, a consultant, a business owner, an entrepreneur, or a startup. So if that is you, while you're here, can you help me out? Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification because I want to keep you updated on everything. And while you're here as well, comment below, let me know who you are, and do hit the like button to help me with the YouTube algorithm. Now, TikTok, you may have seen it, you may have not seen it, but TikTok is a social media platform that's actually been out quite a while. It used to be called Musical.ly, right? And so it rebranded and revamped itself and came back as TikTok. And since the pandemic, it's had some great success. In fact, it's, in my opinion, going to start taking over from Snapchat. Now, is it good to market your business on? Yes and no, right? Yes and no. Now, I believe that different social networks have different value in the leads that they get you. So think about this. A TikTok video is only a few seconds long before they scroll through to the next one. Now, my daughter's 20, Georgia, and she is on TikTok considerable amounts of the day. She loves TikTok. And it's just got entertaining clips, short, entertaining, punchy clips. Now, she also buys stuff from TikTok. So there's lots of influencers on there that talk about things like Pretty Little Things, which is a brand, a clothes brand, and stuff like that. And that does encourage her to buy stuff. So I do believe that if you're looking for a young demographic, that is where they are. They are there, they're on Snapchat, and they're on Instagram. So yes, I would, if I was looking for people under 25, I would probably look to invest some time on there. Now, the older demographics, they will come to TikTok at some point. They weren't on Instagram. The over 40s weren't on Instagram really when it launched, but now they're there. They've come across to the platform, which is why the younger kids have moved over to TikTok because they don't want to be where their parents are, right? And so it's essential that you understand that each network that you're on has different attention spans. So TikTok, you only get a few seconds before they scroll past and go on to the next video. So what that means is they don't get much mind share. So if I said to Georgia, can you tell me all the people that you saw on TikTok today? It would be impossible, right? She just couldn't remember because she may have seen hundreds of people throughout the day. Now, if I said Instagram, can you tell me all the people? The posts on Instagram are slightly longer. Maybe they're written in a slightly longer way, or the videos are slightly longer, but they're still very short, right? She would still struggle to remember on Instagram. But if I said, can you tell me the YouTube videos that you watched? She would be able to do that more likely. And the reason for that is because YouTube, you go there with intent. You go there looking for something specifically, right? And so because you've gone looking there, a YouTube view is significantly more valuable to a business owner. And so I would suggest that you do look at TikTok as a platform if you're looking for people under 25. If you're not looking for people under 25, I would look at it as a last thing that you do. So if you haven't got YouTube going, I'd focus on YouTube first before I got onto TikTok. I'd focus on LinkedIn first before I got onto TikTok. I'd focus on all these platforms before I got onto TikTok, right? And so that's what I want you guys to understand. TikTok is there for the younger demographic. The older demographic will eventually arrive there at some point, but the attention span is much shorter. So you really need to do a lot of stuff to get any impact on that platform. You should be looking, if you're looking for an older than 25 demographic, look at things like LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. That's where their attention is there slightly longer, and that's where your people hang out. Now look, I go into all this kind of stuff in my Business Growth Club. And the Business Growth Club is an option for you to try today for just £1. And in there I have master plans on marketing, on product launches. I bring in outside experts. This week I've got Tony Robbins, copywriter, doing a live Q&A session. And I want to give you a trial today for just £1. So in the description of this video is a link. Go and check it out at least. Go and see what this is all about. And so in the Business Growth Club, you're going to get access to all of my master plans and all of my weekly live sessions. So rather than just watching videos on here, you can actually get some stuff that you action and implement. We give you all the checklists, everything you need to be successful. So go and check that out now. And if you didn't earlier, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell. And make sure you like the video and tell me in the chat, are you on TikTok? Tell me, are you on TikTok? Yes or no? What do you think it is? Who do you think it's good and useful for? I'd love to hear from you. Cheers. That's it from me. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.